Okay, so now let's look at the non-current assets also one by one. Number one is tangible assets. I'm sure I have discussed already tangible assets. So your land, building, plant and machinery, computer, furniture, something that you can touch, feel and see is your tangible assets. Then you have a CWIP. CWIP stands for capital work in progress. Capital work in progress. Now what CWIP means? So say for example you are implementing a project and project is not yet complete. You have bought the plant and machinery, you have constructed the building, and you also have the you have constructed the building which is halfway through. You have imported the plant and machinery, or you have purchased the plant and machinery, some of them, not all of them. It will take another 6 months before your project is going to be complete and ready for monetization. So until the time your project is complete for monetization, whatever money that you spent on that project, on the capex, that reflect in your balance sheet as capital work in progress. So let's say you are on 31st March 24 and you have 19,267 spent on this capex. So that is why this 19267 is appearing in your balance sheet on 31st March balance sheet as capital work in progress. Now next year you see that this figure has become 5,000. And why has it become 5,000? Because out of 19267 minus 5,000, 76241. So 14,267 worth of capital expenditure has already become complete, and now it is ready for monetization. So this figure of 14,267 would have added into this figure, actually would have added into this figure, and that is what is your capital work in progress. Intangible assets, we all understand intangible assets under development. So you have certain patent design already ready with you, so that will come as intangible assets. There are certain patents and design R&D expense that we were discussing a little while ago. So this is the amount of R&D work in progress, and that is why it is known as इंटेंजिबल एसेट्स अंडर डेवलपमेंट. नॉन करंट एसेट्स का मतलब क्या है? आपने किसी कंपनी में स्ट्रेटेजिक इन्वेस्टमेंट किया हुआ है, एंड दैट स्ट्रेटेजिक इन्वेस्टमेंट दैट यू हैव डन अपैरेंटली is not to dispose it of tomorrow or day after. You have invested into that company because you want to control that company or you want to influence that company, and so your intent is not to hold this investment for a short period but for a long period, and that is how it will come as non-current investment. Long-term loans and advances, it is same as like short-term advances. The only difference is short-term advances are where they will get converted into cash within a period of 12 months. Loans and advances long-term are the ones that will be getting converted into cash beyond a period of 12 months. So this is the these are the all the line items of the assets. Thank you once again for asking that question. Hope that question is answered.